Let's be honest. You've chased. You've double texted. You've overanalyzed a lull like it was some kind of secret code. And where did it get you? Ghosted. By someone who still follows your dog on Instagram. Here's the truth. The guys who get chased don't try. They don't perform. They don't care. And that's exactly why women do. Today, I'll show you how to flip the dynamic without faking confidence, without playing some cringy alpha game. Just presence, power, and a little strategic silence. Number 1, mirror their pain. You've been the nice guy, the available guy, the what are we guy. And guess what? That guy never gets chased. He gets appreciated, then ignored. She loved your effort until she didn't. Now you're staring at her story, hoping it'll blink back with a message. But every time you try harder, she cares less. Every double text, a deduction in value. Every I just want clarity text translates to I have no options. Nobody taught you how not to chase. Because here's the thing. Attraction isn't built when she feels wanted. It's built when she feels she might lose something valuable. Number 2, flip the frame. See, the man she chases, he's not rude. He's not cold. But he's not accessible either. He's still, unbothered, calm. While the rest of the world scrambles for attention, she replies dry. He doesn't match the energy. She takes hours. He doesn't panic. She posts a thirst trap. He doesn't blink. He's not playing hard to get. He's just not playing at all. Because attention is currency. And he doesn't hand it out like a clearance sale. When you're always available, you're always discounted. But when you go rare, your silence becomes mystery. Your distance, intrigue. Your calm, power. Number 3, introduce the ideal self. He doesn't chase, doesn't explain, doesn't need to be mysterious because he already is. He laughs slowly, speaks with intention, and when he listens, she leans in. He can sit across from her, say nothing, and still leave her wondering about him all night. Calm when she tests him, cool when she pulls away, silent when silence says everything. He's not here to impress. He's here to impress upon. Not loud, not flashy, just unforgettable. Number 4, power move, the pullback. So how do you make her chase? You stop. Stop doing everything that screams, I'm still here if you want me. No more first texts. No more instant replies. No more emojis under her thirst traps. Instead, let her wonder. Let her scroll past your silence and feel that tiny ache that says, wait, where did he go? That space isn't emptiness. It's a mirror. Let her see herself trying. Let her feel the imbalance. Let her reach for once. And here's the twist most guys miss. When you stop chasing her, she doesn't forget. She starts to feel, not guilt, not panic, but curiosity. Why isn't he chasing me anymore? That's not your cue to reach out. That's your cue to walk away with peace. Because now, you're the questions she's dying to answer. And you're too busy living to ask.